Hey everybody, I am continuing the series on Christian Universalism, and today I'm doing the number 2 sermon, which is we were always meant to live in collaboration with each other, to love each other, to support each other, to work together with each other without looking at differences. Sometimes I just look at nature, and God gives me a clue as to what He's trying to tell us. This morning I stepped outside for a breath of fresh air and noticed a flock of birds flying one direction. Then I noticed a flock of birds flying the other direction. And I thought to myself, why is it that birds fly in groups? So good old AI and Google and all that stuff, you're able to find out anything. And here's what I came up with. The scientific reasons why birds fly in groups: energy efficiency, drafting, and aerodynamics. When birds, especially large ones like geese, and the ones I saw weren't geese by the way, fly in a V formation, the bird in the front creates an updraft that helps the bird behind it. This saves 30 to 50% of the energy for the group compared to flying solo. They rotate positions so no one bird stays up front too long. Isn't that an image of shared leadership and teamwork if you ever saw one? And it comes naturally for them. Lucky them, us human with all these obstacles in our way. Let's get rid of them. They fly in groups because of navigation and safety. It helps with orientation and protection. Birds can follow experienced leaders during long migrations, and being in a flock makes it harder for predators to single one out. Safety in numbers becomes a real thing then, doesn't it? Communication and coordination. Birds constantly communicate through calls and subtle body signs. This helps them to maintain formation, adjust speed, respond to danger or direction changes. That's another lesson. As Jesus said, take my yoke. And I learned that not only was he saying, take my yoke, I'll make your burden lighter, take my yoke and I'll learn you how to listen to the Father and how to follow direction the right way. We got so much to learn. Learning and teaching. Young or less experienced birds learn the routes, timing, and rhythm by flying with the group. It's mentorship in motion. Now let's look at the spiritual connections. Birds flying in formation are a perfect reflection of God's design for his people. We were not meant to fly alone. Ecclesiastes 4:9. Two are better than one because they have a good return for their labor. Things were always meant to be done with each other, not out on a branch by ourselves. We take turns leading and supporting. Just like the lead bird rotates out of rest, spiritual leadership is meant to be shared. Each person contributes their gift for the good of the mission. I've been doing a lot of studying about the Great Commission. And I'm starting to hear more and more the word about the Great Collaboration. We have 45,000 different denominations of Christianity alone in the United States, and that's just absurd. That is not what Jesus meant. He meant for us to have collaboration. We are the church all as one, not as segmented in 45,000 plus different denominations. We protect and encourage one another. Hebrews 10:24 through 25. Let us consider how to stir up one another to love and good works, encouraging one another. That's how we're supposed to live. Pay attention. Listen inside. You know it's true. We're guided by the Spirit's wind. John 3:8. The wind blows wherever it pleases. So it is with everyone born of the Spirit. Birds trust the wind to carry them, just as we need to trust the Holy Spirit to guide our direction and timing. I truly hope this helps somebody. And again, to me, Christian Universalism is one that brings everybody together. I know, again, there's 45,000 different denominations out there right now, and that seems crazy, but I believe they can all fall under Christian Universalism. I believe just as I was having a discussion with somebody the other day, that as long as you believe in Jesus and you think that's going to take you to heaven, then what difference is there between all 45,000 plus denominations, including Christian Universalism? And to me, Christian Universalism can help bring people back together under one blanket because it shows not only the original teaching of Christianity during the first 500 years after Jesus' resurrection, but it also prevails what I think feels right in people's heart, and they know an all true, all loving, all good God. As many things as we can't understand, if we can believe we're all going to end up back with Him eventually in the end, isn't that a wonderful thing? I love y'all. And again, I hope this blesses somebody. Please like, subscribe, share, comment. Let me know what you want to hear and what you want to talk about. And please, have a blessed day, week, month, year. Have a blessed life and share it with somebody. Love you.